Hi guys, and welcome to my first YouTube video. I was thinking of what I wanted my content to be like, and I started writing a blog a while ago in regards to makeup and beauty and a bunch of travel and home products and things like that. And what I felt that I needed the most this year has been just cheerful content, since 2020 has been quite the pain for a lot of people. But here's looking at the positive. So happy new year 2021 to everybody that's watching. So what I wanted to talk about today was the Dyson AirWrap, and more specifically how to clean the Dyson AirWrap attachments. So I've been looking up online constantly for cleaning of the attachments in particular, which means that I've seen several videos on how to clean the filter and how to get you know different solutions to clean it. And the problem that's been that is that serum and several other hair products have been getting stuck into the filter and causing like this layer above this above each of the whatever they call the prickly things of the brush. And all the videos I've seen online are involving pulling the hair out of the attachment, and that's clearly not working, because if that's the only issue if people have been facing, then you guys are lucky. I've had far too much serum deposit on it, and what happens is on second day hair and you try to blow dry your hair, you get this weird residue that just goes through all of it and makes it look really sticky. So what I've done is a bunch of different things trying out, but here's the one that works, and this is what I want to share with you today. So for everybody that doesn't know, or everybody that's watching this video should definitely know, this is the Dyson AirWrap. It's a far too expensive hair dryer. Luckily I was gifted one last year for my birthday, and that makes things so much easier. So the one that I've been looking for in particular to fix is this extension. Yeah. So let me take you through the process. What I did was take the Dyson, put it, just the extension, sorry, not the whole Dyson, or the attachment, and take a mug of water and put hair shampoo in it. Yes, this is a hair hack or Dyson cleaning hack. And I added some shampoo into it. I shook up the water so that it was bubbly and added the extension into it, and I let it stay in there for about half an hour. Dyson does tell you to make sure that your extensions or attachments are not wet while you put it back into the main part of it. So what I did after was take it out and let it dry for about 30 minutes to about 45, and clearly the wetness of the Dyson was completely gone, but I towel wiped it to make sure that it was 100%. I then blow dried it to make sure that any water was gone from it. I wouldn't recommend keeping it in the water longer than about 30 minutes, just because there is a screw of sorts, some sort of within it, which meant that if I kept it in the water for too long, it would invariably rust over time. So make sure you're only keeping it for a short duration in the water. After that, I realized that I took it and I let it dry, and it worked brilliantly. So now that I've done it, it doesn't leave like this weird residue. Not that I've had the best hair day today. It's not what I would like it to be, but yeah, sorry, I didn't plan fixing my hair well enough, though I'm doing a Dyson wrap video. But I love the volume that it adds to my hair, unlike using hair straightener, which makes it completely flat. So I like the texture that it gives me, very natural, very everyday, not boho, I wouldn't call it that, but everyday look. Yeah, maybe boho a little. So I hope this helps you. Please do let me know in the comments down below whether it helps you and whether you try it out and it works for you. And I hope you enjoy this 2020. Here's wishing everyone that's watching a super year ahead and to a great 2021. Alright, subscribe, like, comment, and have a great year. Alright then.